Hey guys, Cody with Flynn's Painting TV, doing some projects here in Fairview. You'll have to forgive me, my mouth is a little swollen as I've had some abscess problems, but we're sanding these ceilings with some Festool's detail sanders and round heads, and putting new corners on these blew out edges on the ceiling. And we're doing a lot of mud work. Here's the round detail sanding head that we use, and we're just pro sanding this whole entire ceiling, skimming over all the patch holes and drywall nail pops. Here's the perfect 90-degree tape line we've been using for our corners. It's like a mesh, and you bend it to what corner you need. Works really good. And here's what part of it looks like. I'm going to be bringing the walkboard in tomorrow to get the rest of this seam, and with the 90-degree perfect angle is you're supposed to butter your drywall, and then go back over it and pull your seam tight with mud. And this is me doing this process through here, building my corner up. This is pull 1 out of 3. And stay tuned. I'll be posting an updated part 2 on falling ceiling repair here within the next week or so. Thanks for watching. Flynn's Painting TV, owner of Flynn's Painting Company, Cody Flynn. Find us on Facebook and Google.